Okay, folks, so when talking about building a tractor, for our tractor pull, you'll notice this tractor here, they've used a little Velcro tie here to keep their wires kind of out of the way. But the big thing that makes this tractor, by the way, pulled 100 pounds. So this tractor could pull 100 pounds across the floor. And the way they did that was they started with a very, very small gear. And notice every time that this axle is going through metal, there's a bearing here, there's another bearing here, there's a bearing on the other side. So the more bearings you have, the stronger that connection is going to be. And you can see that they've got their motor attached to this 12-tooth gear. The two 36s on the ends barely wiggle at all. And then you've got the big 84s out here. And they ran it at max torque and half speed and could pull 100 pounds with this. The trick to doing this is it's so stable, because if you're not stable and these gears are not perfect, it's gonna skip, right? So the one thing they did have to do was they had to stack some base plates on top of the tractor itself to weigh down the wheels in order for it to haul that 100 pounds. But once they did that, it would take 100 pounds. It would probably take more than 100 pounds, but I would not let them continue to test after 100 pounds. So when building your tractor, be aware that if you're going to use gears, you need to be very precise and make sure that those gears mesh every single time and perfectly. This one is four-wheel drive because they've got one motor turning both sets of wheels on this side, right? Now, I've seen people do this where they would just have this one, and this one. Doesn't tend to be as strong. Doesn't tend to work as well. So they had it powering both wheels, which really helped them out to make it super strong. So there's kind of an idea of what you might want to think about for your tractor pull.